All right. Thanks for clicking on this video. It is called "Spilled My Beans," and I took the boat out, me and my wife, and this trip was mainly to see how my new equipment worked out. I got me a trolling motor spot lock, so let's see how we did.
I see you. I see you.
Okay. Literally, we can fish like 2 feet away from each other.
How was that?
Perfect.
That's good form.
Perfect. Are you hung on a rock?
I don't know. Well, I probably had a fish.
No.
Ruined it for me. Rockfish. When am I gonna get my own microphone? No, what I asked you. If I could get my own microphone.
Oh. Get a bump?
Either that or that yacht that went by brushed something up into it. It literally feels like something just ran into it.
Yeah, that's what their bites feel like.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a hammer down. That'd be this one.
Okay.
Ain't none of them hooked up.
Well, I'll hook one up. Just tell me what to do.
You gotta tie a leader, put it on the hook, and then attach it to the line. You want this?
In the soft. I don't know. I think I might throw up.
Why?
Ugh.
Hey,
I am too right now.
there's a jelly.
Ooh, it's big. All right. I am really. Ew. I can't.
Is the hook poking out?
Oh, it just keeps getting worse. Oh, God, I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh, and it's falling apart too. Oh, this is a struggle. I cannot get it to come through.
You made me do it.
I think I'm gonna puncture myself and. Oh.
That's fine. Just drop it.
That one's terrible. No. God. Have mercy. Was that just a wasted piece? I see that you set yourself up with the best fishing rod.
You can have this one. You grabbed the shortest one out of all of them.
Well, it's because nobody gave me any instruction on how I should do this. If you would have said grab a long pole,
It ain't gotta be a long one.
you set yourself up for success and not the other person on your boat. See how you do me.
You get one?
I don't think so. I'm reeling a wad and nothing's happening.
Hold on. Stop reeling. Oh, no, you know. Pop it. Oh, here you go.
Oh well. a shell. There ain't nothing in
They
here.
done took it out.
I was hoodooed. What the heck? I was like, why am I not getting bites anymore?
Because he got what he wanted.
Decoy. Alright. You got to bring any crackers with you so I can get my shell off and put an actual piece of crab back on?
I love that spot lock.
Yep. It's made my life easier on the boat.
Well, an anchor would have never held all this.
Maybe you should become an influencer for Spot Lock.
That's the reason I ain't saying the name brand. Ain't nobody paying me.
Maybe if you said their name, they would.
I don't think it works that way.
Say their name, say their name. Are they having drone wars? What are they doing?
Have fun.
Oh, we're about to get rocked, babe. This jerk didn't think about slowing down at all. That was nice.
I get the grass back off before you cast it back out there.
Okay.
What's that?
No, I'm stuck.
Yeah, pop it up. You gotta hold the line and bounce it up like you're setting a hook. Just keep doing that.
Ooh. Cut my finger in half.
Come here. Hold this one.
Right up, big one!
How weird. Here, come hold mine.
You really want to give me that? Okay. You love me.
Oh.
Crab juice. Love you.
Love you too. You
Okay.
fishing with that one now?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I mean, I'll take another
It
one.
don't matter then. We'll try orange.
Is that eating the only bean?
What?
Oh, Mom made snacks. I'm trying to become an influencer.
Well, wait till they pay you. Oh, they're not for free.
Mm, 10 grams of protein. waiting for me. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got an edamame in my boat.
There you go.
I'm a joy to be around.
Look,
How'd that happen?
one jerk.
Yeah, well, you always have been that.
We're gonna go up there and try that.
About to be online shopping.
Oh Lord. Buy some of these hooks.
What?
Buy some of these hooks.
What you trying to say?
Let's buy some hooks.
Where am I supposed to go buy them?
Amazon right here.
I don't have an Amazon account anymore.
You don't have to buy some.
I'm not allowed to go on their website. I signed up for Amazon's Anonymous.
You need it.
You need to learn how to tie those hooks on better.
Then you can just throw
Buy
the
some
rod
stronger
there.
line.
That way you can just throw the rod in there when it gets on.
Yep.
There, well, it works out. All right, as you can see, got skunked. Nothing, nada. It's funny, trying to fish for sheep's head again. Sit there, went up on the rock wall. Last week I went to the rock wall. We ended up catching like 15, 8 keepers, something like that. And then this week, go to the same rock wall and then nothing. Now I was using different bait this time because I was too lazy to dig up some mud crabs, but I tried blue crab and peeler crab and they was both frozen. I don't know if they just wasn't biting that day, if I wasn't on them good, or they just didn't like what I was trying to feed them. But anyway, the spot lock, that is going to be a game changer. I can tell you right now, I don't never want to have to throw an anchor again. That spot lock is the way to go. But anyway, I greatly appreciate it. Me and my wife, we had a good time. We didn't catch no fish, but it was good being out there. I hope you enjoyed some of the commentary, and she did spill her beans. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that alert button. I really need your support, to make this thing work. And I've been at it a little less than a year, so I ain't giving up yet. But anyway, God bless, stay safe, and fish on.